Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send photos using the Google Drive app. Whether we are sharing memories with friends or sending images for other reasons, we will guide you through simple steps right from your phone. Now, let's get started. On your phone's gallery, we select the photos we want to share. Once we are done selecting, we will tap the Send button. When you tap Send, we will be taken to a new page. Here, we will choose Drive, as you can see on your screen. After you tap that option, we will be asked to confirm which account or location on Drive we want to use. Now, we will select a location. Here, we can choose where to save our photos. We can create a new folder by tapping Create Folder, or simply choose an existing destination. Once we have selected the location, we tap Select. Then, tap Upload in the upper right corner of the screen. When we tap Upload, the photos will start uploading. To check if the photos have been uploaded, we can open Google Drive. If the upload was successful, we will see the photos there. And here, the photos are now uploaded. We can tap on them to confirm. It is that simple. We have successfully sent photos using the Google Drive app. Now we can easily share images anytime, anywhere.